Today we are going to learn chapter number 3, circle. So what is circle? A circle is a set of points, set of all points in a plane that are fixed distance from a fixed point of, and which point is known as center of circle. Now what is diameter? A line segment which passes through the center of circle and whose both the end points lies on the circle is called as diameter of the circle. Chord is a line segment whose both the end points lies on the circle is called as chord. Remember, diameter is the biggest chord of the circle. Now congruent circles. Circles having same radius are called congruent circles. For example, bangles having same radius. Concentric circles. The circles having same center. For example, rings inside of tree's trunk are example of concentric circles. Another example, the ripple made when a pebble or any stone is dropped in the water are concentric circles. Intersecting circles. Two circles are touches at single point are also intersecting circles, and when two circles are intersect at 2 points, also intersecting circles. Now circles passing through 1, 2, 3 points. So what do you think? How much circles can draw from single point? Think about it. How much circles can be drawn from single point? If you are thinking infinite, then yes, you are right. We can draw infinite number of circles from a single point. How many circles can be drawn through 2 points? You can draw infinite distinct circles through 2 points. And how many circles from 3 non-collinear points? How many circles can be drawn from 3 non-collinear points?